Turkey banknotes rare in value. The 10 Turkish liras of 2009 depict the face of the first President Mustafa Kemal Atatürk of Turkey, considered a national hero and father of modern Turkey, who ruled for 15 years from 1923 to 1938. In the center, the face value of the paper money, 10 Turkish lira, official currency present in the country since 1844. A little further below you will find written in Turkish that indicates the period January 14, 1970 and 1211, referring to the date on which the central bank promulgated the law number 1211, which effectively changed the powers of the bank and of its organizational structure, with the aim of being more competitive internationally in the economic field. On the reverse, the face of Cahit Tarif, a Turkish mathematician of the 1900s who became famous for having contributed in a practical way to revolutionize mathematics thanks to the invariant tarif, a calculation method used a lot in surgery. You can in fact see his face next to his face. Mathematical formula. Today this note is worth $20. The 10 Turkish liras of 2005 always depict the then President Atatürk, a revolutionary who established the first Turkish politics after the end of the domination of the Ottoman Empire, the latter existing for 623 years from 1299 to 1922. Behind the face the Turkish flag represented from a moon and a five-pointed star, an origin that is still not clear today. On the reverse in the center an ancient map depicting the map of ancient Turkey, just above the inscription in Turkish which translated means Republic of the Central Bank of Turkey. Today this paper money is worth $21. The 1970 Turkish lira 1000 banknote has the same representation of President Atatürk in profile, on the sides the numbers 1000 indicating the face value of the paper money. On the reverse, a landscape representing the Bosphorus Bridge, a 1.5-kilometer long suspension bridge that crosses the Bosphorus River and connects the districts of Istanbul. In fact it was the first bridge that connected Europe to Asia. This note is worth $25. The 20 Turkish liras of 2009 depict on the obverse the face of Mimar Kemaluddin, a very famous Turkish architect of the 20th century for having greatly influenced the renaissance of Turkish architecture in the transition period between the end of the Ottoman Empire and the birth of the First Turkish Republic. Within the first restorations of various Ottoman monumental structures began to be adopted in the world of architecture, a practice that until then was unthinkable. A little further below his bust you will notice the date of birth 1870 and the date of his death 1927. On the reverse the Turkish president looking to the left. Today one of these banknotes is worth $30. The 10 million Turkish lira of 1999 were issued in a period of severe crisis of the devaluation of the Turkish lira. In the mid-90s the currency lost over 160% of its purchasing power, a collapse that led to hypertaxation and forced the government to find an agreement with the International Monetary Fund. Both on the obverse and on the reverse it represents the same images and representations that you have seen before in the 10 Turkish liras. The only difference lies in the face value of this banknote, 10 million lira, corresponding at the time of issue to about a couple of dollars. Today the super sought after paper money is worth $35.
Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah.